Europe's first eco-friendly full-cycle large-steel complex on direct-reduced iron technologies first started in Russia. It is assumed that overall investments will be around 150 billion rubles. In Nizhny Novgorod Oblast, Anatoly Sedych's owned United Metallurgical company started carrying out largest in today's Russia metallurgical industry project. One successfully implemented project will allow to dramatically reduce damage on the environment, to develop a new level groundwork production site, and also will allow to create best possible green technology that will give a huge boost to metallurgical industry growth and will create more possibilities to improve ecology in the industrial areas. By 2025, in town of Viksa in Nizhny Novgorod Oblast, electrometallurgical complex Ecoland will start 1.8 million tons a year iron production using direct reduced iron, which is made from natural gas and iron ore. Ecoland is a usual full-cycle complex, however, without typical cold chemical blast furnace converters, that in comparison with traditional steel production technology will allow to reduce CO2 emissions into the atmosphere 3 times. The project not only meets all current and possible European Union environmental requirements for improving quality of production, but the international program of lowering greenhouse gas emissions. The complex will consist of a modern production of metallized pellets made using DRI technology and will give up to 2.5 million tons of hot pellets a year, in conjunction with electrometallurgical iron production up to 1.8 million per year, and will have 2 continuous casting machines. These technological capabilities will allow to produce a wide range of steel products. For the first time in Russia, on the ground of the same technological site will be presented iron ore steel technology with continuous supply of hot reduced pellets to an arc furnace. Complex is unique because of the fact that metallized pellets are immediately supplied to the arc furnace while hot, and the resulting steel for out furnace processing and casting. This is the first such factory in Europe. The project started in September 2020 after signing contract between Ecoland and long-term UMC partner Italian Danieli for the supply of equipment. Contract was signed in Russia's Minprom in the presence of the Minister of Industry and Trade of Russia, Denis Manturov, Governor of Nizhny Novgorod Oblast Gleb Nikitin, and Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Italian Republic to Russia, Pascal Trociano. The document was signed by UMC Chairman Anatoly Sedych and President of Danieli Russia, Antonello Colucci. In March 2021, Denis Manturov, during his business trip to Nizhny Novgorod Oblast, visited Viksa town and gave a symbolic start to the fulfillment of the first green metallurgical project in Europe, Ecoland investing in today's most prospective possible technologies. From the point of view of environmental friendliness, the Ecoland technology is one of the most outstanding solutions to reduce negative impact of metallurgical production on the environment. Ecoland is replacing open-heart and iron workshops in a Viksa factory. The workshops were located in the center of Viksa and were stopped in 2018 as they did not meet the environmental and technological development goals of the enterprise. It is crucial that with the multiple increase in steel output, the total impact of Viksa factory production air pollution of the urban district will be significantly lower than before. How is the UMC Ecoland project useful for Russia? Apart from DRI technology itself, which provides a significant reduction in greenhouse emissions into the atmosphere and a significant reduction of energy consumption up to 140 kilowatts, the complex will incorporate the latest environmental solutions. Within the project, a single closed water circulation cycle will be created, including already existing casting and rolling complex with a pipe rolling workshop, which will be launched next year. The collection and use of surface water will allow to recharge the closed water circulation cycles. The steelmaking furnace will have the best gas cleaning system in Russia, retaining 99.9% of solids with an automatic air purity control system, and will generate up to 24 megawatt of electric energy that will be created due to the heat of waste gases. The construction of the complex will begin with a noise protection screens 10 meters high and about 2 kilometers long, along with planting 2 protective coniferous forest shelter belts that are designed not to cause inconvenience to the residents of Viksa. The new factory will be equipped by Russian and foreign companies leaders in the manufacture of advanced equipment for metallurgical enterprises. The picture of the site of the future complex in the background shows the pipe rolling workshop under construction at the UMC Viksa factory for the production of seamless pipes, which will launch in 2022. The main goal of production is construction of an electrometallurgical complex and the necessary infrastructure with modern technology for the production of steel, round billets and high-quality slabs is to form a new level of supply for the Vixa UMC factory is steel billets. Today, Vix Foundry and Rolling Complex provides 1.4 million tons of coils for the production of small and medium-sized pipes. Ecology will also produce another 1.8 million tons of ultra-pure, so-called green steel, which means steel characterized by a reduced impact of its production on the climate and environment. Those steel slabs will be used to produce white sheet at its own mill, 5,000 for large diameter pipes, and shipbuilding. Round billets will be for the production of seamless pipes in new pipe rolling workshop and for the production of railway wheels on the largest line in Europe, as the needs of Vixa UMC factory for the steel are higher. Therefore, even for such a provision, the plant will continue to purchase steel from other manufacturers. Investment in the Ecoline project, estimated around 150 billion rubles, will contribute to the rise of a large Russian gas and iron ore consumer in central Russia, and also gave high socio-economic effect for the region. More than 2,000 jobs will be created during the construction period and more than 700 in the complex itself. Work considered with other industries will pay about 5 billion rubles tax per year. The boost from the creation of new production is estimated at the level of 5% growth of the gross regional product of Nizhny Novgorod oblast. The launch of the plant will strengthen the competitiveness of UMC Vixa products and thereby create new opportunities for development of Vixa Monotown. If you liked the video, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell.